The first China-Laos Railway international freight train from Kunming of southwest China's Yunnan province arrived in Lao capital Vientiane on Saturday night. At 11:10 p.m. local time on Saturday, the train fully loaded with dicalcium phosphate in feed grade arrived at Vientiane South Station.
我们能够作为这个“一带一路”的建设的践行者、实行者，能为中老两国的友谊做好这个和平使者、友谊使者。我在这里感到非常的高兴和激动。
Li Tongshu, director of Vientiane South Station with more than 20 years experience on the railway and over 10 years as a station director in China, came to Laos in July this year. The station currently has 68 staff, including 9 Chinese technical and management personnel who have rich work experience. The rest of the Lao staff, with higher education and high enthusiasm for learning after training in the China-Laos Railway Co. Limited, have also been competent for their respective positions.
老挝这边呢是钾肥资源比较丰富，所以说我们首例这个发回昆明的话呢，这边主要是以钾肥为主。
The newly opened railway is significantly cutting the time and logistics costs for cargo transportation between the two countries, and the cross-border cargo transportation orders of the railway are sufficient. Currently orders bound for China from Vientiane South Station are more than 100,000 tons, while shipment orders from China to Laos are also a lot, especially for fertilizer, chemical, mechanical and electrical products.